Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Sunday. Yes, today is Sunday, January the 19th. So I am out here. One of my colleagues, George, he gives me a hand every now and then. We're out here in beautiful Conyers, Georgia. I used to actually live in Conyers years ago. So anyway, this is a new client, Miss Sherry and her husband Ronald. They actually found me on Google, watched my video. She called me about 4 days ago, sent me the measurements and also some pictures. So I never came out to look at this house. I gave them a price. They said, let's do it. They actually have this beautiful home on the market and they're moving to Alabama. And the husband was just telling me, he said, Courtney, we got to get you to come to Alabama and do the floors in the house we're moving in. So anyway, guys, we're going to be doing close to 1,200 square feet. Screen and recoat, $250 a square foot. Let me flip this around, show you what I'm doing today. All right, guys, so again, we're in Conyers. I got some great feedback this morning from the client we did yesterday. Client said the floors look amazing. So beautiful home. Like I said, I got my guy George with me. And I got a busy next week. Working 4 days next week because Friday, Saturday, going to be going out of town. So anyway, guys, let's look at these floors. So they got the house on the market, and one of the things that people look at is the floors, and you can see right here in the kitchen, there's a lot of wear. Got some red oak. So we're gonna be doing this entire area over here. Gonna get some more light in here, this whole kitchen area, all right? And this whole living room area right here. There's George. George, say what's up? You guys have seen George in a few videos with me. So George is one of my local colleagues. We do a lot of networking, and especially when I do a lot of out-of-state jobs, he comes to help me. So we're gonna be doing this whole area right here, dining room, and this nice living room area. Not gonna be going into the masters. Got this potty room, and this is an engineered floor, like it was recently installed. And the client said, Courtney, let's take the sheen down. So we're gonna put a satin finish on it. All right, guys, me and George are gonna go ahead and get started. Stay tuned. Yeah, it's right here. Okay. All right, guys, we are done. I just called my client up to come upstairs and check it out. Look how much better the floors look now. They have that nice natural satin look on them. Oh man, these floors came out amazing. All right, and then during the screening process, we did notice a little residue on the floor, so we cleaned that off. All right, so my client is coming up. See what she has to say about it. Oh man, this looks so good. What'd you say, Miss Deborah? So much better. Yes, ma'am. That's what we do. Yep. And Miss Deborah, how did you hear about me again?
On Facebook.
On Facebook?
That has been quite some time ago.
Oh, so once you okay, so this is.
And I wanted to do the floors. But all the furniture.
All the furniture. Yep. Come on up, Ronald. Yeah. All right, guys. So Miss Deborah, like some of my clients, they said they've been following me on Facebook. And Facebook, you know how it works, guys. Once you start following somebody, I post every day on all my social media accounts, so it just pops up. How did it look, Ronald? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You like the satin finish? Yeah, most of my clients love that nice satin finish because it makes the floors look more natural. Yep. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. And we're gonna go ahead and chill out for the rest of the day and be back at it tomorrow. We got a busy week. Like I said, this coming week, I'm only working 4 days a week. So I got 2 tomorrow, 1 Tuesday, 2 Wednesday, and 1 Thursday. All right, guys, see you in the next one.